Hello friend, today we are going to discuss on elasticity of supply. First of all, what is the elasticity of supply? Elasticity of supply means the degree of responsiveness of quantity supplied to change in own price of the commodities. It is also defined as the percentage change in quantity supplied divided by the percentage change in price. Means elasticity means it is the percentage change in quantity supplied to the percentage change in price, means elasticity of supply. Next, it is calculated, uh, the formula is equal to elasticity supply is equal to percentage change in quantity supplied to the percentage change in price, means symbolically uh, elastic supply is equal to change in quantity supplied to the change in price, divided by change in price to the price is equal to change in quantity supplied to the change in price into price divided by quantity supplied. Means then what are the types or degrees of the elasticity of supply? First elastic supply, then inelastic supply, unit elastic supply, perfectly elastic supply, and then perfectly inelastic supply. One by one discuss. Next, elastic supply means the supply is said to be elastic when given percentage change in price leads to larger change in quantity supply. Under this situation, the numerical value of elastic supply will be greater than 1 but less than infinite. The diagram shows the supply curve. The elasticity supply is greater than 1, means at the point of P to P1 and Q to Q1, means quantity and price. The formula given in this diagram, like the change in quantity to change in price is greater than 1 because percentage change in quantity supplied to the percentage change in greater than percentage change in quantity of price. Next, inelastic supply. The supply is said to be inelastic when a given percentage change in price causes a smaller change in quantity supply. Here the numerical value of the elastic supply is greater than 0 but less than 1. And the diagram shows the supply curve from x and y axis, the y axis for the price and x axis for quantity. The point P to PQ and P1 to Q1, means elastic supply is the less than 1. Means in formula the change in quantity supplied to the change in price is less than 1 because the percentage change in quantity supplied is less than the percentage change in price. Next one is the unit elasticity of supply. Means if the price and quantity supplied change by the same magnitude, then we have unit elasticity of supply. Any straight line supply curve passing through the origin has an elastic supply is equal to 1. In diagram, the supply curve passing through the origin at the point of O. Then in formula, the change in quantity supplied to change in price is equal to 1 because percentage change in quantity supplied to the percentage change in price is equal to. Then perfectly elastic supply. The numerical value of the elastic supply in exceptional cases may reach up to the infinitive. Hence the supply curve has drawn parallel to the x-axis. In diagram, the curve of supply curve from point of P to S1 means elastic supply is infinity. Firm supply any amount at the price of OP means the perfectly elastic supply. Then perfectly inelastic supply. Another extreme in is the completely or perfectly inelastic supply or zero elasticity. This curve describing figure that whatever the price of the commodity, it may even be 0, the quantity supply remain unchanged. The sort of the supply curve is conceived when we consider the supply curve of land from the viewpoint of a country or the world as a whole. Means in diagram the OQ and OS1 is the supply curve. This is the electricity supply is equal to 0. Now the effect on supply following a change in price. Then what are the factors determining electricity supply or determinants of the electricity supply? First one is the nature of the goods. Is important factors, like then definition of the goods, then the relevance of the time periods is important for factors, then the cost of attracting resources, and last the level of price. Thank you.